Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating topics in biology: neural control and coordination. Ever wondered how your body knows exactly what to do, even before you consciously think about it? How your heart races during a run, and how it calms down afterwards? Let's break it down in the most simple, engaging, and detailed way possible. Our body is like a perfectly synchronized orchestra, but who's the conductor? Who makes sure all the instruments, or in our case organs, are working in harmony? That's where coordination comes in. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complement each other's functions to maintain balance, or homeostasis. Example time. Let's say you're running. Your muscles demand more energy. To meet that need, your lungs work harder to bring in more oxygen. Your heart beats faster to pump that oxygen-rich blood. Your blood vessels widen for better flow. Even your kidneys adjust to regulate water and ions. And the moment you stop, everything gradually returns to normal. That's coordination. And it happens seamlessly thanks to two main systems. The neural system works like instant messaging: fast, targeted, and super specific. It uses electrical signals through neurons to control actions quickly, like moving your hand away from a hot object. On the other hand, the endocrine system is like a long-distance messenger. It sends hormones through the blood to regulate processes, like growth, metabolism, or mood. It's slower, but powerful. Together, they're the perfect team: instant control and long-term regulation. Let's zoom in on the neural system now. At the core of this system are neurons, highly specialized cells that detect, receive, and transmit stimuli. You can think of them as the body's wiring. In lower invertebrates like Hydra, the system is just a simple nerve net. No brain, just a web of neurons. In insects, it gets more complex. They have a brain, ganglia, which are like relay centers, and more structured neural tissue. And finally, in vertebrates like us, humans, the neural system is highly evolved and divided into two major parts. 1. Central neural system, or CNS. This includes the brain and spinal cord. It's the control center. It processes information, makes decisions, and sends commands. 2. Peripheral neural system, or PNS. This includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It acts as a communication network, connecting the CNS to the rest of the body. Now, the PNS has two types of nerve fibers: afferent fibers and efferent fibers. Afferent fibers carry messages to the CNS, like sensory input from your skin. Efferent fibers carry commands from the CNS to muscles or glands. Let's take an example. You touch a hot pan. Sensory receptors send signals via afferent fibers to your brain. Instantly, efferent fibers send a signal back to your hand to pull away. Boom! That's neural coordination in action. The PNS further splits into a somatic neural system. This controls voluntary actions. For example, when you decide to pick up a glass of water, that's somatic control in play. B. Autonomic neural system. This controls involuntary functions, like heartbeat, digestion, and pupil dilation. It is further divided into the sympathetic nervous system, which activates the fight or flight response. It increases heart rate, dilates pupils, and slows digestion. Think of it as your body's emergency mode. Then there's the parasympathetic nervous system, which handles rest and digest activities. It slows heart rate, enhances digestion, and conserves energy. It's your body's relaxation mode. Together, they balance your body's responses, whether you're escaping danger or chilling after dinner. We'll also cover these in detail in another video, but here's a sneak peek. Transmission of nerve impulse. Electrical signals pass through neurons in a domino effect. Impulse conduction at synapse. Signals jump from one neuron to the next across a tiny gap, the synapse, using chemicals called neurotransmitters. Reflex action, immediate response to stimuli without thinking, like pulling your hand from fire. A life-saving shortcut handled by the spinal cord. And there you have it. From neurons to nerve impulses, from brain to spinal cord, our neural system is a true marvel. It works silently, efficiently, and tirelessly, keeping us alive and functional every second. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget, your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching Knowledge Chronicle. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next one.